Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Students, today we are going to discuss the questions from the chapter Exponents and Powers. So, look on the board. First question is express minus 243 over 3, 125 in power notation. Means we have to express this number in a power form. What we have to do? We have to make the prime factors of both the numbers. So let us make the prime factors. 243 divided by 3 is 81, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 3 3, 3 1. Then factors of 3125 is divided with 5, 5 6 are 30, 1 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 25. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5 are 25. 5 2s are 10, 5 5 are 25, 5 5s are 5 1. Now it is 243. It can be written as 1 2 3 4 5, 3 raised to power 5, and 3 1 2 5 is written as 1 2 3 4 5. It can be written as 5 raised to power 5. So therefore, minus 243 over 3125 can be expressed as minus 3 power 5 over 5 power 5. We can write it as minus 3 over 5 whole power 5. Now this we have represented in the form of power. See the next question. Find x. First part is minus 2 raised to power x is equal to minus 32. Now here we need to find the value of x. So what we will do? Minus 2 raised to power x, and let us make the factors of 32. 216, 2 8s are, then 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 1 2 3 4 5. It means we can write minus 32 as minus 2 raised to power 5. Further we can write it as minus 2 whole power 5, because we are having minus sign, and if minus sign is getting multiplied 5 times, then we will, if minus sign is getting multiplied 5 times, then we will get minus only. So we can write this minus 2 raised to power 5 as my bracket minus 2 whole power 5. Now comparing both sides. Now see, here also the base is minus 2, here also the base is minus 2. Here the power is x, here the power is 5. So comparing both sides, if on both the sides the bases are same, then the powers are equal. So here the value of x is equal to 5. Okay. Similarly in this question, we have to find the value of x. Now beta 1024 we are having. Now we have to make the factors of 1024. But what we want in our base we want minus 4. So what we will do in this question, we will make the factors of 1024 by dividing it with 4. Fine. So 4 2s are 8, 2 2 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 22. Then 4 6 are 24, 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24, 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4. 1 2 3 4 5. So it means this can be written as minus 4 raised to power 5. Further, it can be written as minus 4 whole power 5. Again, comparing both sides, what is the value of x? Again, the value of x is equal to 5. Means, if you will make the factors by taking 2, means if you will divide this number with the 2, we will get the factors as 2 raised to power 8. But we want our base minus 4. So you start dividing it with 4. So that in the next step you don't have to change 2 into 2 into 4. Directly हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा 4 के फैक्टर्स के फॉर्म में ही आ जाएगा 1024 means how many 4 multiplying gives you 1024 because here on the left hand side our base is -4 right hand side में भी base -4 चाहिए तो डिवाइड करेंगे 4 के साथ next beta we will revise the laws of exponents so let us revise the laws of exponents which we have already done. First law is a raised to power m into b raised to power m is equal to it is a raised to power m into a raised to power m. It will be equal to a raised to power m plus n. If the bases are same and the powers are different, then the powers will be added and the base will remain as it is. A raised to power m into a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Second, a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. Now again, if the base is same and we are having division sign in between, then the powers will be subtracted. It will be a raised to power m minus n. Third, a raised to power m into b raised to power n. Now what is the third law? In this we can see that the bases are different but the powers are same and there is multiply sign in between. So now if the powers are same, then what will be done? The bases will get multiplied with each other and the power will remain same. A multiplied by b whole power m. Then a raised to power m divided by b raised to power m. In this, what will happen? The bases are different, powers are same. So the base will get divided. It will be a by b raised to power m. Next law we are having is a raised to power 0. A raised to power 0 is always 1. Anything raised to power 0 is always 1. One more law we are having is a raised to power n whole power n. If we are having a base and its power, then whole power we are having. Then what will be done? These two powers will get multiplied. It will be a raised to power n into n. So these are the laws of the exponent. Now we are going to discuss the questions related to these laws. Now see the next question. Simplify 8 square divided by 2 cube. Now in this case we can see. Now here we have to simplify it using the law. Now beta here we can see neither the base is same nor the power is same. But it is written that we have to simplify it using the law. And we have done the laws. Either the bases should be same and the powers different, or the bases, if the bases are different, then the powers should be the same. Here we are having no such case. Then what can be done? We have to solve it by using law. We can see that this 8 is divisible by 2. हम 8 को 2 की फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. What is 8? 8 is 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. तो इसको लिख सकते हैं 8 को लिख दिया 2 क्यूब होल पावर क्या है 2 मींस 8 कैन बी रिटन एज 2 क्यूब और उसकी पावर क्या है 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 क्यूब. So we have done one law. A raised to power m whole power n is written as a raised to power mn. So can we write it like this? 2 raised to power 6 power then multiplied divided by 2 power 3. Now we have got the way in which we can use our log. Bases are same, powers are different, but we are having division sign. So we have done the law a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. Power will be subtracted. So it is a raised to power m minus n. Using this law, we will get 2 raised to power 6 minus 3, 2 raised to power 3. Further, 2 raised to power 3 is 8. Right? Okay. Now, beta, next part, look on the board. 6 square plus 6 4. 6 square plus 6 raised to power 4 divided by 6 cube. Now, we can see here that we are having addition sign. And जो हमने लॉस की है उसमें क्या है, बेस सेम है और पावर्स डिफरेंट है, तो हम लॉ तभी लगा सकते हैं अगर बीच में मल्टीप्लाई का साइन हो या डिवीजन का साइन हो. प्लस और माइनस के साथ हमारे पास कोई लॉ नहीं है. सो व्हाट टू बी डन? सो इन ऑर्डर टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, what can be done? It can be written as 6 raised to power 4 plus 6 raised to power 4 divided by 6 cube. ठीक है, दोनों के नीचे 6 raised to power cube है. Now we will split it. We can write it as 6 power 2 over 6 cube plus 6 raised to power 4 over 6 cube. What we have done? We have split it. इसके भी नीचे 6 क्यूब है, इसके भी नीचे 6 क्यूब है, तो हमने इसको अलग अलग कर. इसके बाद we can see bases are same, powers are different और बीच में कौन सा साइन है? डिवाइड. तो डिवाइड का साइन है बेटे पावर्स और उनकी फाइनल्स. पहले वाली पावर पहले, बाद वाली पावर बाद में. इट विल बी 6 रेज़ टू पावर 2 माइनस 3. जैसे अगर आपके पास ये हो 6 स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 6 क्यूब, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं ना 6 स्क्वायर ओवर 6 क्यूब. इसी तरह से और इसको हम इस फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं यूजिंग द लॉ 6 raised to power 2 minus 3. So that is what I have done here. 6 raised to power 2 minus 3 plus 6 raised to power 4 minus 3. Whatever number you are having in the numerator, उसकी पावर पहले, डिनोमिनेटर वाली पावर बाद में. So further, 6 raised to power 2 minus 3. What is 2 minus 3? 2 minus 3 is minus 1 plus 6 raised to power 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is also, it is 1. Okay. Now we have done that if we are having a negative power, तो इसको कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं? How to make this power positive? If we are having a negative power, then we substitute that number and we get positive. अगर 6 power minus 1 है, तो 1 by 6 कर देंगे, तो यहाँ 6 की पावर क्या हो जाएगी? positive 1. ठीक है? 6 raised to power minus 1 will be written as 1 by 6 plus 6. Now we will take the LCM. 1 plus 6 is 36. So the answer to this question is 37 by 6. Now see the next question, beta. Simplify and express as rational number. What is the question? 5 raised to power minus 1 minus 3 raised to power minus 1 whole power minus 1. Now we can see that we are having the negative power of this full bracket. So we know that if we are having the negative power, then we can make the power positive by reciprocating the number, right? इसको reciprocate कर देते हैं तो power positive हो जाएगी. But अगर ये पूरे ब्रैकेट की पावर नेगेटिव है तो डायरेक्टली हम इसको बिना सॉल्व किए इस पावर को कुछ नहीं कर सकते. What we have to do? We have to solve our bracket first, then we will see what to be done. So let us start. 5 raised to power minus 1. It can be written as 1 by 5 power 1. We will not write this one. 5 raised to power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 5. Means numerator में जब 5 था तो नेगेटिव पावर को। जब वो 5 डिनोमिनेटर में आ गया तो पावर क्या हो गई? पॉजिटिव। देन माइनस 3 raised to power minus 1 means 1 by 3 whole power minus 1. Now we will solve the bracket. What is to be done? We will be taking LCM. 5 3 are 15. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 ones are 3 minus. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 ones are 5. So 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 by 15 raised to power minus 1. Now we are having negative power. How to make the power positive? क्या करेंगे? जो नंबर है उसको उसका रेसिप्रोकल, नेगेटिव साइन ऊपर है, चाहे उसको ऊपर ही रहने दो चाहे उसको नीचे ले आओ। 15 over -2 पावर क्या हो जाएगी 1, और ऐसे भी रहने दे सकते हो -15 by 2 power 1 means negative sign if you are having the numerator, it is your wish. If you are taking it in the denominator, right, then 15 by -2 raised to power 1 also is the answer. और usually what is to be done, जो नेगेटिव साइन होता है हम उसको यूजुअली कहाँ लिखते हैं? न्यूमरेटर में, because that is only the standard form. So minus we will write -15 by 2 raised to power 1. This is expressed as a rational number. See the next question. Again we have to simplify and we have to express as rational number. 3 by 17 raised to power -1 multiply 17 by 4 raised to power -1. So here we can see our bases are different but the powers are same. So in the first step also we can apply that law that if the bases are different, powers are same, then the bases will get multiplied. ठीक है? या फिर हम क्या करेंगे? नेगेटिव पावर है उसको पहले क्या बना देंगे? पॉजिटिव, so as to avoid the confusion. It can be written as 17 by 3 power 1 multiply 4 by 17 power 1. Fine. Now again the bases are different, powers are same. A raised to power m into b raised to power m. Using this law we will write it as 17 by 3 into 4 by 17. Power will be same, 1 only. 17 can cancel with 17. So 4 by 3 whole power 1, that is 4 by 3 is the answer. Now come to the next question. Find x. 4 cube into 3 cube is equal to 4x whole cube. So beta earlier the questions we have done that find x, we have done that type of questions in which the x was in the power. ठीक है? फिर हम x find करते थे by applying the law. Here we can see our x is in the base. So the method is almost the same. Let us see 4 cube into 3 cube. If the bases are same, if the bases are different and the powers are same, then what is that? The bases get multiplied, so we can write it as 4 into 3 whole power 3. Different bases, same power, तो बेस क्या होते हैं आपस में मल्टीप्लाई, अगर मल्टीप्लाई का साइन है तो इसको लिख सकते हैं 4 multiplied by 3 whole power 3 is equal to 4x cube. Now comparing both sides, we have done that if the bases are same on both the sides, then the powers are equal. Similarly, beta, if the powers are equal, then the bases are also equal. Fine. So we can write like this: 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 4x. 12 is equal to 4x. 12 by 4 is equal to x. So this implies x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. See the next question. Again find x. -1 by 3 whole power 6 multiply -1 by 3 whole power 5 is equal to -1 by 3 raised to power x plus 1. Now we can see here on the left hand side the bases are same and the powers are different and multiply sign is between. So So if the bases are same, powers are different, then what is to be done? By applying the law, the powers get added. It can be written as minus 1 by 3 raised to power 6 plus 5 by applying this law. A raised to power m into a raised to power n, that is a raised to power m plus n. It is equal to minus 1 by 3 raised to power x plus 1. So minus 1 by 3 raised to power 11 is equal to minus 1 by 3 raised to power x plus 1. Now see on both the sides, the bases are equal, same base, so the powers will be equal. So again comparing both sides, 11 is equal to x plus 1. So 11 minus 1 is 1 is equal to x. So the value of x is equal to 10. Right? So students, these were the few questions from this chapter, exponents and power. We will take more questions from this chapter in our next class. So till that, revise all the questions properly and take care.